I'm Jeff Cross, the Media Director for Clean Facts. I'm here at the Experience with the extended Cooper family. Larry Cooper is the founder of the Experience. And Larry, it's been a family event, family affair. What's happened this year that's making things different?
Well, that's a great question. We actually sold the show to B&P Media, and we've been helping them put on, I think, one of the best shows we've had yet. And the place is packed, and it's so much fun to see so many friends. And I wish I would have started the show on my own, but you're looking at who started and organized the show. These ladies have done an amazing job. I just get to take all the credit.
Let's hear from each one. What are you going to miss the most about, the show is no longer yours. Jillian?
I think I'm just going to miss all the friends we've made and seeing all the happy faces every year or twice a year, because we've really made a great family connection here.
Okay. And? Trina?
What am I going to miss?
This is your pavilion right here, right?
Yeah, this is my pavilion, health and wellness up there. This was a give back to the industry for basically a thank you to people, but we saw a lot of people that were having illnesses and things, so we said we need to do something about it. But what am I going to miss? Again, the people and the fact that this is a really cool platform for people to learn the expansion of the science and, connecting people, the networks that go on in here, the amazing new ideas that come out of it. So, I don't know. It's just really fun to have that. I'll miss that.
Well, I know this. I'm going to miss seeing the McDonald's hamburgers not molding myself, but and the water. This is this is a nice pavilion. Larry, stay right there. Don't go away.
Yeah.
What a great pavilion. And Jennifer, I know you don't spend much time here doing much, do you?
No, not at all.
What are you going to miss, and what do you have to say?
I think I'm going to miss the parties the most.
Oh, okay.
It's the highlight of the events, and the best thing that I'm good at is planning the parties. So everyone raves about the parties and how fun they are and the entertainment that they get to see and the memories that they get to make coming here with all of their brand new friends that they made throughout the events and the years. So I think really having the big celebrations just to network together and hang out together and not actually talk about business the whole time we're here.
There you go. Well, I know all of you wish the Experience well, but Larry, I'd like the last word from you, if we could pass the microphone back. What do you want to tell future attendees about the Experience? Because you guys aren't going to be here. It might be a little different. What would you tell them?
Well, what I'll tell you is that I've spent 50 years in the industry, and over the last 45 shows that we've produced, we've done everything we can to raise the bar and bring the newest in science and technology. We've shared as much information as we can with B&P Media and R&R Magazine, and we believe that they're going to do their best to continue on, and I'm sure they're going to need a lot of help, and hopefully the industry will help them move forward. We obviously want to see the show continue on, and it's been an amazing venture for us. We absolutely love putting on the shows, and so many people have helped us over the years, and I think we've touched 30 or 40,000 people over the years, and hopefully we made a difference in their lives too.
I've never missed one since I got my job with Clean Facts in 2003.
Wow.
Never missed any Experience or connections. I know there's a whole other story there.
Wow.
But good job to all of you for what you've done, and thank you, and let it continue.
Thank you very much, Jeff. It's been a great opportunity to partner with you. Thank you so much.
Same here.